Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this set, we are using stiletto tips for a very simple heart Valentine's Day set. So you see me pick up a small bead of clear acrylic, put that on the tip, and then I'm going to pick up a little red heart and place that right on the tip. Next, we're going to dip our brush in the acrylic, and straight from the acrylic, we're going to go into our heart palette over there and then pick up some hearts and then place that directly on the nail. So we're going to keep moving the hearts around until the whole cuticle area is covered. So while I was doing the heart application, I realized that every time I try and move one heart, another one would stick to the brush. So I was thinking, okay, there must be a different way for me to do this without the hearts that are already there keep moving. So I thought of tweezers and I was like, maybe if I use tweezers that might help. And guess what? It did. So I would just move around the hearts. I can move one at a time and not have to worry about all the other hearts moving. So tweezers are the easiest way to do this. Use your brush obviously to place the hearts on the nail, but once they're there, then use your tweezer to move them around. It's way easier this way. Next, we are going to encapsulate. So you see me pick up a clear bead of acrylic and I place it in the middle of the hearts and I just push it down a little bit. So the easiest way is to make sure to push the acrylic into the hearts. That way we avoid air bubbles and we can make sure that our hearts are fully encapsulated and sealed in. So when we do go into file, we are not going to file them away. And also try not to drag the acrylic down as the hearts might move. So I just try and push the acrylic where it's sitting and slowly let it slide, the acrylic slide down by itself and then push it in place, if that makes sense. Hopefully I'm explaining that properly, but you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Also make sure to build the structure of the nail with the clear acrylic. You guys will see me point out a section in the middle where it's plain, there are no hearts, that there's sort of like a dip there, and I fill that in with acrylic. So keep adding acrylic until the shape and the structure of the nail is fully secure. So I did go ahead and speed up the encapsulation on the rest of the nails. time to e-file. So you do see me going in with my drill bit right there. So it is a 5-in-1 safety bit. Just make sure to seal in your cuticle. So what that means is you have to see the difference between the skin, and then you see a little bit of a line, and then you see the acrylic starting. So that way you fully sealed in the acrylic, and we don't want any liquids or moisture or lotions or anything getting under the nail, because that's where lifting starts happening, and we don't want that at all. So with the e-file, you'll see me sealing in the cuticle, doing all the cuticle work around the nail, and then you're also going to see me going over the whole nail from the cuticle to the tip with the e-file, because I'm smoothing out any of the acrylic, if there's any bumps or it wasn't applied smoothly on my end, that way I can make sure that it is smooth. And then later on you will see we are going to go in with a hand file as well. So next we are going to go in with a hand file. So I use the hand file to perfect the shape. Because these are stiletto, I'm trying to bring back the nail to this stiletto shape. So when you do apply acrylic, sometimes it leaks over it on the sides. It tends to be a little bulky, so it messes up the shape a little bit. So you do see me go in on the sides of the nail. I also do go over the top of the nail as well, because our e-file does leave a little bit of lines or ridges or scratches, whatever you want to call it, on the nail. So I'm trying to smooth that out as much as I can with the hand file, even though we will go in with a buffer after all the hand filing is done. Also make sure that when you are filing the nail to support your finger with another finger, if that makes sense. You want to make sure that, like right here, you can see I'm supporting my middle finger by using my thumb on the one end, so the nail isn't shaking all over the place, because that is very uncomfortable. So make sure you try and support as much as possible when you are filing a nail, sorry. Use another finger to balance it, and you'll see that as well here with the index finger and the middle finger. So next we're gonna go in with some alcohol and clean the nails. Once I spray them, you see how like sparkly they are. They're so cute. And all the dust is gone out, so they look so nice. The shine, like the hearts have this like glowy, sparkly thing about them. They're not like plain matte hearts, if that makes sense. So they look so pretty once they're like wet and all shiny. So cute. And also make sure to go under the nail as well and wipe there, because when we are like filing, dust does get under there as well. Next, it's time to apply the top coat, which is going to make the nails even more sparkly than they already are. Apply our cuticle oil. So you do see me apply the cuticle oil right at the cuticle for all the nails, so you do see me do that right there. And then I am gonna go in and massage the oil into the cuticle and a little bit down the finger as well, just to add some moisture back into our hands, because our hands have been through a lot. The nails are so pretty. I really love them. Very simple Valentine set. I really love how they turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!